Tinnitus is a poorly understood condition. Patients who have tinnitus typically describe high-frequency noises, buzzing, crickets, clicking sensations, and pulsating noises in the ear. Tinnitus can be pulsating and it can be non-pulsating. The pulsating variety changes with every heartbeat, and it is in direct synchrony with the cardiac cycle. Pulsating tinnitus can be caused by atherosclerotic changes within the carotid artery. Oftentimes, this is the first hint that something is happening within the carotid artery. Turbulent flow within the carotid artery can be picked up by the cochlea. In fact, the internal carotid artery has an intimate relationship with the cochlea. Most people don't really understand that. Pulsating tinnitus can also occur from tumors that affect the middle ear. The most common tumor causing pulsating tinnitus is a paraganglioma, or glomus tumor. The way to diagnose a glomus tumor is by direct microscopic visualization of the eardrum and the structures behind the eardrum. Another way to diagnose glomus tumors is by imaging, whether it be by CAT scan or MRI scan. Non-pulsating tinnitus is quite a challenge. Pulsating tinnitus can also occur from a condition called a dural arteriovenous malformation. Here what happens is a branch of the external carotid artery is dumping blood into one of the veins close to the inner ear. This is an abnormal communication that has developed, bypassing the capillary bed. This turbulent flow is picked up by the cochlea and is transmitted and sensed as pulsating noises. Tinnitus can also occur from hair follicles that find their way on the tympanic membrane. The scratchy noises can occur from these follicles. Using a microscope, these follicles can be removed and the symptoms usually are alleviated. Another type of tinnitus involves rhythmic clicking that patients hear. This results from abnormal muscle contractions of two muscles in the middle ear. The stapedius muscle is a muscle that connects to the stapes bone, and the tensor tympani muscle is a muscle that connects to the malleus bone. Just like muscles in other parts of the body, they contract. They can get into a certain state where they fasciculate and contract uncontrollably. This rhythmic contraction of the middle ear muscles can cause rhythmic clicking that is sensed by patients. This is what we call myoclonus-related tinnitus. Treatment for this condition involves surgery to divide the muscular attachment to the stapes bone. This involves 40 minutes of general anesthesia. The surgery is performed through the ear canal, the tympanic membrane is elevated, and the muscular attachment to the stapes bone is divided. In almost all instances, the tinnitus resolves.